Yes. So I don't know what makes the difference from the attended list and the nominated list. Yes. Thank you, sir. The recently sent INEC updated list is my name. You can check it. Nazif Bello Yusuf from Mashidu Federal Constituency.
I think it's against
Member-elect. No. Member-elect, we've come to the end of the voting process. The next phase of the process is the collation
Please check my name. Please address my issue.
Of results. May I invite the tellers
Hello, sir.
to come to the table for the collation of the votes.
Okay.
Please. The tellers for the collation of the votes. Yes. The proposers and the seconders of each of the nominees. Yes, and the seconders for the three nominees. Do we have the... I think at this point I should... No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. We are collecting, not yet there. We have collected those for you to come and sit down. We didn't use ballots. This is the results. Can you show them before we...
Voting has been concluded and the tellers have been called to the table to enable the counting and announcement of results. 3 members elect contested for the position of the Speaker, 10th Assembly. They are Tajudeen Abbass from Zaria Federal Constituency in Kaduna State. There's also Ahmed Idris Wase from Plateau State, and then Aminu Jaji from Zamfara. The voting was done using the open ballot system, and any moments now, the winner is going to be announced.
Your members elect,
as I said earlier, according to what is provided in the rule books, the winner of the election has to secure more than 1/2 of the votes. That is at least 181 votes to be declared winner as the Speaker, 10th Assembly. The exercise is being presided over by the Deputy Clerk to the National Assembly, Mr. Kamaruddin.
359 absentees. Nil. Member-elect, starting from the runners-up. Members-elect Aminu Jaji, pooled 3 votes. Member-elect Idris Wase, pooled 3 votes. Member-elect Tajudeen Abbass, 353 votes.
Yeah? Sit down.
Members-elect, the next stage of the process is the declaration of the winner of the election. But at this point, I want to take my exit because the host of the House, the clerk to the National Assembly, is in-house. So I want to take my leave for him to announce the result. And from this point onward, he will be in charge of the proceedings.
Take that seat. Members-elect, my name is Sani Magaji Tamwal, the clerk to the National Assembly. I have the honor and the privilege to declare the result of the election for the seat of the Speaker of the Federal House of Representatives. Here is the result. I will now declare the result. Member-elect Tajudeen Abbass, having scored the highest number of votes, is hereby declared the winner and returned elected as the Speaker of the House of Representatives. Yeah. Members-elect are now called the proposer and the seconder to lead the winner to take oath of office.
The clerk to the National Assembly, Magaji Sani Tambuwal, has declared Tajudeen Abbass from Kaduna State as the Speaker 10th Assembly, having secured the highest number of votes in this contest. He got 353 of the total votes cast, while Ahmed Idris Wase from Plateau State got 3 votes, and Aminu Jaji from Zamfara secured 3 votes.
Na ganin ko mata ki ne wannan mata ki ne ko
Oath of allegiance. I
I, Abass Tajudeen,
do solemnly
but we are different from governors.
that I will be faithful
That I will be faithful
and bear true allegiance
and bear true allegiance
to the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
to the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
and that I will preserve
You are the Speaker of the House.
and that I will preserve
The Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Oath of Speaker of the House of Representatives. I
Abass Tajudeen,
do solemnly affirm
do solemnly affirm
that I will be faithful
that I will be faithful
and bear true allegiance
and bear true allegiance
to the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
to the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
that as the Speaker of the House of Representatives,
that as the Speaker of the House of Representatives,
I will perform my functions
I will perform my functions
honestly
honestly
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
faithfully
faithfully
in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria
in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria
and the law
and the law
and the rules of the House,
and the rules of the House,
and always in the interest of the sovereignty,
and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being,
and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
That I will strive to preserve
That I will strive to preserve
the fundamental objectives
the fundamental objectives
and directive principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
and that I will preserve
and that I will abide,
and that I will preserve,
that I will preserve,
protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
and that I will abide by the Code of Conduct contained in the fifth schedule of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Oath of member of the House of Representatives. I,
Abass Tajudeen,
do solemnly affirm that I will be faithful, bear true allegiance
and bear true allegiance
to the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
to the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
that as a member of the House of Representatives,
that as a member of the Federal House of Representatives,
I will perform my functions honestly to the best of my ability, faithfully in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
and the law
and the
rules of the House,
and the rules of the House,
and always in the interest of the sovereignty,
and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being,
and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
That I will strive to preserve
That I will strive to preserve
the fundamental objectives
the fundamental objectives
and directive principles
of
state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
and that I will preserve, protect,
and
defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
and that I will abide
by
the Code of Conduct contained in the fifth schedule
to
the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Where is yours?
Congratulations.
I can sign with a blue biro. Thank you very much. Thank you.
The clerk to the National Assembly, Sani Magaji Tambawa, just administered the oath of allegiance and oath of office on the Speaker of the 10th House of Representatives, Tajudeen Abbass. Tajudeen Abbass represents Zaria Federal Constituency, Kaduna State. He was born in 1963. An educationist and a politician, Tajudeen Abbass holds a bachelor's degree in business administration. He also has a master's degree in business administration. He is also a PhD holder in business management. He started out as a primary school teacher in 1981 and later joined the services of Kaduna State Polytechnic. From there, he went to Kaduna State University as lecturer. He joined politics in 2011, during which he was elected as a member of the House of Representatives. He was re-elected 4 times over by his constituents, and now he has won the position of the Speaker, 10th Assembly.
And over boy.
Deputy Speaker.
Eh?
Yanzu zai zauna ne kawai an bashi.
To ka bashi wannan.
Zan bashi zai zauna. Sai in ya gama za a aje mai kasa.
Okay.
Wannan rawa.
Na gane.
Sannan a Deputy Speaker. Sannan sai in shi
yanzu
sannan kai ne za ka saura in mun gama Deputy Speaker mun gama nan.
Shine nace maganar na speaker da kace zai hand over.
A
wani
sai
point
mun gama Deputy Speaker.
An gama na
Za ka yi acceptance sannan za shi.
hand over. To yanzu idan aka samu unopposed nomination for deputy speaker ba sai an yi voting ba ko?
Ba za a yi voting ba.
To shikenan. We need to take photograph.
Yeah. Members-elect, order please, order please. We are now going to conduct the election of the Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives. I now call for nomination. Member-elect.
Thank you very much. Okay. Right Honorable Speaker, 10th Assembly. Right Honorable T.J. Abass. Right Honorable Speaker, as he then was 9th Assembly. Right Honorable Femi Gbajabiamila. Right Honorable Speakers, past, present. The Clerk of the House, distinguished, eminent colleagues. I remain Babajimi Benson. I represent the very good people and gender-friendly people of the Ikorodu Federal Constituency. Honorable colleagues, 5%, 50% of the job is done. Honorable colleagues, I rise today in the spirit of inclusion, in the spirit of marginalization, in the spirit of correcting the marginalization in our polity, in the spirit of renewed hope, in the spirit of inclusion, I rise today to nominate a man who has passed 45 bills in the House of Reps, a legal luminary, a man who has assisted the House as the publicity committee chairman of the House of Reps, a spokesperson par excellence. It is this same House that all members elect today are being sworn in. A man of justice, a man of character, a man of good conscience, a man who at 29 became the local government chairman of Bende local government in Abia State, a man who at 32 years became a commissioner in Abia State, a lawyer par excellence who graduated from the University of Calabar, a man who I asked yesterday that, are you sure you can do this job? A man who then called all his aides and said, the youngest person who is a member of the representative's office is greater than my office. A man who I asked again, are you sure you're ready for this job? He responded and used a phrase called a corporate soul. I said, what does that mean? He said a corporate soul means the office remains, but the officer comes and goes. He said, and he quoted John Wesley, he said that he will do all the good he can to all the people he can, at all the time he can, in all the places he can, to all the members he can, and every inch of the time. He is prepared to complement the good efforts of our Right Honorable Speaker, 10th Assembly, Right Honorable T.J. Abbas, Iya Zauzau. I rise to nominate Benjamin Okeze Kalu as the Deputy Speaker of the 10th National Assembly. I so nominate, Mr. Speaker.
Any seconder? And by elect.
No.
Go ahead.
Good morning, honorable colleagues. My name is Kafilat Ogbara from the Federal Constituency. to second the nomination of Honorable Benjamin Kalu as the Deputy Speaker for the 10th Assembly. I so second. Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, Waziri Bukar Ibrahim, I represent Damaturu, Telmo, and Gujibagulani Federal Constituency of Yobe State. I rise to second the nomination of Honorable Ben Kalu as Deputy Speaker of this Right Honorable House. I so second.
Yeah. Member, order. Members-elect, order. I now call Honorable Benjamin Kalu. Benjamin Kalu to state whether he accepts.
Most distinguished Speaker of the 10th Assembly, the Clerk of the National Assembly, the Deputy Clerk of the National Assembly, all former presiding and principal officers of the previous assemblies, my honorable colleagues, member-elects. My name is Benjamin Okezie Kalu. I represent the good people of Nigeria, starting from Bende, Federal Constituency. Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, I'm from Abia State, and I rise to accept the nomination ably presented by Honorable Jimmy Benson and ably seconded by Honorable Khadija. I so accept.
Are there further nominations? Are there further nominations? Are there further nominations? In the absence of further nominations, I declare the nomination closed.
Benjamin Okezie Kalu, representing Bende Federal Constituency of Abia State, is now the Deputy Speaker, 10th House of Representatives, having emerged unopposed. Earlier, Tajudeen Abbass won the election after contesting against two other contenders, winning the election with 353 votes to emerge winner of the 10th Assembly race. He represents Zaria Federal Constituency of Kaduna State. The oath of office and allegiance was also administered on him by the clerk to the National Assembly, Magaji Sani Tambuwal, and now the Deputy Speaker is also going to be administered the oath of office and allegiance, being supported by the two members-elect that nominated him, Baba Jimmy Benson from Lagos State and Khadija Bukar from Yobe State. Benjamin Kalu is the immediate past spokesman, that is the Chairman, Media and Public Affairs of the 9th House of Representatives, and now on his way to occupy the seat of the Deputy Speaker, 10th House of Representatives.
Oath of allegiance. I,
Benjamin Okezie Kalu,
do solemnly affirm
that
I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. Oath of a member of the House of Representatives. I,
Benjamin Okezie Kalu,
do solemnly affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as a member of the House of Representatives, I will perform my functions honestly to the best of my ability, faithfully in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and the law and the rules of the House, and always in the interest of sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will abide by the code of conduct contained in the fifth schedule to the Constitution Constitution of the Federal Republic
to the
of
Constitution
Nigeria.
of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Deputy Speaker. Okay, so I'll give it this, but it is same thing.
Okay.
When we mention Deputy Speaker. Oath of the Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives.
I, Benjamin Okezie Kalu,
Do solemnly affirm
do solemnly affirm
that I will be faithful
that I will be faithful
and bear true allegiance
and bear true allegiance
to the Federal Republic of
to
Nigeria.
the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
That as a Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives,
that as a Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives,
I will perform my functions
I will perform my functions
honestly
honestly,
to the best of my
to
ability,
the best of my ability,
faithfully
faithfully,
in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria
in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria
and the law
and the law
and the rules of the House,
and the rules of the House,
and always in the interest of the sovereignty,
and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity,
well-being,
well-being,
and prosperity of the Federal Republic of
and
Nigeria.
prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
That I will strive to preserve
That I will strive to preserve
the fundamental objectives
the fundamental objectives
and directives principles
and directives principles
of the state policy
of the state policy
contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
and that I will preserve,
protect,
and defend the
and-
Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
and that I will abide
and that I will abide
by the Code of Conduct
by the Code of Conduct
contained in the 5th Schedule
contained in the 5th Schedule
to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Hey, where is your man? Sign. Sign.
My name?
Yeah, you write your name. Let him write there. Let him sign. 13th day of
Over 350. Non-president.
yeah, then you sign. Push the same thing. Tuesday.
Benjamin Kalu, Deputy Speaker of the 10th House of Representatives, signing the documents after taking the oath of allegiance and oath of office. He is a lawyer by training. He has occupied the office of a local government chairman in the past. He was a party chairman in Abia State. He also occupied the office of the Senior Special Assistant to the Governor before becoming member of the House of Representatives. He is currently a member of the National Executive Council of the ruling All Progressives Congress. Himself and the Speaker-elect Tajudeen Abbass were the nominees of the APC for the position of Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the 10th House of Representatives.
No, it's okay. You are the expert. If you say it's okay.
This is picture.
Where will my wife stand?
Yeah. Congratulations.
I appreciate it.
So,
Thank you, congrats. Congrats. Congrats, madam. Thank you, congrats. Thank you. Muna godiya Allah saka da alheri. We are supposed to take our exit.
yes, I'll just make an announcement and I'll take it. Then you now swear in all the members. You are the clerk of the house. You know, so you now be calling all the members step by step. Maybe a group, then you give an initial order of membership and then
The 10th National Assembly now have the two presiding officers in place. Talking about Tajudeen Abbass, representing Zaria Federal Constituency, Kaduna State, elected as the Speaker after contesting with two other members-elect, and the Deputy Speaker-elect, Benjamin Kalu, from Bende Federal Constituency of Abia State, emerging the Deputy Speaker unopposed after being nominated by two of his colleagues, Babajimi Benson and Khadija Bukar.
Congratulations. I was coming to your place. Right, Honorable Speaker, Deputy Speaker.
We have some dignitaries here in the chamber, in the Green Chamber, to celebrate with the presiding officers of the 10th Assembly, former and serving governors. Former governor of Kano State is there. Governor of Lagos State, Sanwo-Olu, is also there. Governor of Ekiti is there, having a handshake with the new speaker. The governor of Ogun State. I can also cite the governor of Niger State, who was a member of the 9th Assembly, Mohammed Bago. Is also there to felicitate with fellow members of the 10th National Assembly. The Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Georgia Kume, is also here. May I also remind you that his wife is also part of this great assembly. She's a member of the member-elect of the 10th House of Representatives. There's also the Deputy Governor of Edo State. They're all there felicitating with the presiding officers of the 10th House of Representatives that have just been sworn in by the clerk to the National Assembly, Magaji Sani Tambo.
no, I want to.
Up there with the Speaker, 10th Assembly, Tajudeen Abbass, are former speakers of the House of Representatives. Gali Umar Naaba is there. The first and only female speaker of Nigeria's House of Representatives, Patricia Ite, is also there having a handshake with the Speaker, 10th Assembly, Yakubu Dogara, the Speaker, 8th Assembly, Chibudom Wuche is next. And other dignitaries that are here to felicitate with the Speaker, former presiding officers of previous House of Representatives, previous assemblies. Clerks of the House of Representatives are also up there with the Speaker-elect, having a handshake with the Speaker, 10th Assembly, Right Honorable Tajudeen Abbass, member representing Zaria Federal Constituency, Kaduna State, Northwest Nigeria. He was the APC nominee for the position of the Speaker, and he has eventually emerged as the Speaker of the 10th Assembly, as the party wishes.
Order, members-elect, order. Please, order, please.
Order.
Please take your seat. Members-elect, take your seat. Order, please, order.
Mr. Clerk, I think a speaker has... Mr. Clerk, a speaker has emerged. Your use of the gavel, I don't know if it is accommodated in our standing order, sir. Clerk of the National Assembly, a speaker has emerged.
Yeah, members-elect.
A speaker has emerged, Mr. Clerk.
Hello, Mr. Clerk, please.
A speaker has emerged, Clerk. A speaker has emerged. Give him the gavel. Give him the gavel.
Please take your seat. Please take your seat. Order, please.
To us. Clerk, listen to us.
We are not one side. Clerk, give the gavel to the speaker. The speaker has taken oath. Give him the gavel. Yes, give him the gavel. Thank you. Thank you.
Please take your seat. Take your seat. I wish to announce. Please take your seat. All of them. No, he will, because yeah. Is he going to stay? No, I'll just tell it. Members elect, I wish to announce that before the speech of the Honorable Speaker, the former Speaker may wish to do a ceremonial handing over to the new Speaker. Yeah. No, I say, so, the Honorable Speaker, Deputy Speaker, on behalf of the management and the staff of the National Assembly, we have concluded our job in the House of Representatives. We wish you Allah's blessing throughout your tenure. Thank you. We take our exit. Thank you. Where's my...
Let me get something. Observation. All those downstairs should come up, while those of us upstairs should go down. For equity and justice. It's like they're just focusing on only the people that are downstairs.
Supported. 75.
LOP.
76. 80.
Thank you very much,
72.
Mr. Speaker, Deputy Speaker, honorable colleagues. We thank God for a peaceful, rancor-free process. On behalf of members of the House of the 9th Assembly and I believe the 10th Assembly, I congratulate you on your election as the Speaker of the 10th Assembly. I wish you well. It's not an easy feat, but from what I know, you will do a good job. These are your members, we are your members, and I congratulate you, and on behalf of them, I hand over my handover notes as a Speaker of the 9th Assembly. This will be a guide to you, and I hope you continue from where I left. Congratulations, and God bless you.
Thank you.
God bless you.
the immediate past Speaker of the 9th House of Representatives, Femi Gbajabiamila, just submitted the handover notes to the new Speaker, 10th Assembly, Tajudeen Abbass. Now, this is the first time that such exercise is being conducted, a proper handover to enable the new Speaker continue from where the last Speaker concluded his national assignments.
Order, honorable colleagues. I will now invite the clerk to administer the oaths of allegiance and membership as prescribed by the law. Clerk, over to you.
Members-elect, we were originally supposed to proceed on zonal basis, but as the Speaker directed,